Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to embed images in Adobe InDesign. So first, open your Adobe InDesign and follow these simple steps. Now I'm going to add any image either from your desk, your computer, or any website or link or wherever. So after that, we need to just drag our image here. So I'm just going to put it here, and I have this image now. Now we need to go to the link panel. If you don't find it here in your panel sections here, you can just go to the window and search for links. So here I am in the window tab, and I'm going to click on links, and I will have my layers or links that I have. So here in the links panel, you will have all the images or all the file that you have imported from either your desk or a local disk or a cloud or website or any other server. Now we want to embed our image. So as you can see, the status of our image is okay, so we need to make it embedded. So all you need to do is to right click on it, and we will click on embed link, and we will have our image that is being embedded in our page. So this is simply how you can embed your images in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.